welcome to the training. My name is Singh. Today I'll be showing you the URL to QR code magic button. This is a Chrome extension, so this is built for Chrome. So if you're using Chrome, you can download this from the Google Chrome Web Store, or you can go to the website. There should be a link there also. But what this does is that normally in Chrome, if you right click on, let's say I'm going to right click on my screen here, and I could create a QR code for this image here. Okay, so this is going to link to that image right there. Okay, so the other thing that I can do is if I click, let's say here, that image there, let's click anywhere here, and I can create a QR code for this page here. So this just adds the link here for you. Okay, and then you can scan that with your phone. Okay, so one of the main reasons I created this was that I use that frequently to transfer things over to my phone. So for example, if I'm browsing on a website like this here, and I see a phone number here, okay, I right click on it, yeah, it doesn't give me a QR code. So for example, if you're browsing on your desktop and you want to call that phone number on that website for that business there, you have to manually type it in. It's very similarly if you see an email here, okay, and you want to email that company or that particular person, well, you have to type it into your phone. So I designed this as a shortcut. So this is called the URL to QR code magic, and it also pulls links as well. So if I turn that on, what that does now is it enables me for that phone number there. If I can just right click it, and it's going to give me that phone number there in a QR code format where I could just scan it with my phone, my tablet, pretty much anything with a smart camera, and then I could scan it and automatically call that business there. If I wanted to send them an email per se, I could right click on that link there, and it's going to change that link right there or that email into a QR code, and I could just scan that. If I wanted to save this page on my phone, I could just click anywhere in the blank spot here, and it's going to automatically generate a QR code for me. Okay, so it works the same way. It makes this extension makes Chrome extremely powerful. Let's say I'm on YouTube and I'm watching YouTube.
Imagine being able to build an app with your
and we're gonna
name on it just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44, a complete.
I'm gonna skip that. Okay, I'm gonna pause that video there. Okay, now I'm gonna turn that off. And in Chrome, it doesn't allow you to generate a QR code for videos. So if you turn this on here, it's going to generate a video for me, a QR code for me, I'm sorry. So I can scan this and watch it on my phone. Very similarly, pretty much any link that you find on a web page, you could generate it, a QR code with this app here. So if I'm on Facebook, let's say here, let me see if I can, I'm going to try to go to Facebook over here. I got to close out one of these first. There we go. Okay, so I'm on Facebook. Let's go to Reels here. Okay, and let's say I'm looking at these Reels here, and I like this one right here. I can right click on it, and I can scan it, and it's going to automatically pull that up on my phone, or with a tablet or a smart camera, or if you're using like a smart system with the camera, you can grab that QR code right there. Okay, so let's go to a different site here. Let's say this is a music site here. Okay, so I'm listening to music. I like this one right here on my desktop. Okay, I can right click it, and it's going to automatically generate me a QR code. Okay, and if I put my cursor on it, you can see the link there. Okay, so you can scan it with your phone, and your phone will automatically open the link to this. So it makes Chrome extremely powerful. You can test pretty much any link here that's clickable here. Okay, so let's go here. Let's go back to Facebook. Let's go to YouTube here. Let's go back to my website here. So if I'm browsing the site per se, and I see I don't have any photos here. I don't think I have any photos here, but if let's say if I want that photo there, that's going to just give me the link to the website. Not sure if I could use anything from Facebook. Let me go to, let's say Amazon. Let's go to Amazon here. And we're going to click on this purse here. And we're going to say, I like that purse right there. Okay. I'm going to turn that off. Okay. And in Chrome, if you right click it, it lets you create the QR code for this page here. Okay. This app does the same thing. If I generate it here, Chrome generates that right there. This can actually turn on. I could generate it for this as well. Okay. And I can scan that, and it gives you that whole link down there so that you can see it. Okay. And then you can scan it with your phone, and then you can go right to this particular item as well. So for music, video, file downloads, also, yeah, it works in Facebook as well. You know, if I like this, right click it, there you go, it gives you the link. Okay, and if you leave your cursor on it, you can see it there. Okay, so right click to activate it and click anywhere else on the screen and it'll disappear. And you can turn it on and off here, right off the button. Okay, so that's the URL to QR code magic button. You get a chance, you can download that from the Google Chrome Web Store, and it's extremely useful. I use it a lot when I'm searching a website, or I just want to see save something onto my phone or transfer onto my phone, such as a phone number, SMS, email, and etc. So it makes it very simple. You don't have to take a snapshot of it and then type it in later. You can just generate that QR code, scan it, transfer it to your phone, your tablet. If you have a smart camera, it can pick that up as well. So that's the app. I hope it helps you, and I hope you like it and enjoy it. I'll see you in the next one.